This video will show you how to correctly apply your prescription creams and moisturizers to treat your skin condition. Your dermatologist may prescribe different creams for different areas of your body because skin thickness varies. Always follow the specific instructions you've been given. As a rule, apply prescription creams only to areas with active rash, which may be itchy, red, thickened, or inflamed. Apply an unscented moisturizer to areas without rash to protect your skin barrier and help prevent flares. Using the right amount of medication is important for improvement. Think of treating a rash like putting out a fire. You need enough water to fully put it out. A helpful way to measure the correct amount is a fingertip unit, FTU. 1 FTU is the amount of cream squeezed from a tube with a 5mm nozzle from the tip of your index finger to the first crease, and it covers about 2 adult palms of skin. To estimate how much you need, count how many palms of skin are affected and use half that number in FTUs. For example, if your rash covers 10 palms, apply 5 FTUs of cream. Many people do not use enough medication, which is a common reason their skin condition does not improve as expected. A typical treatment course is applying medication twice daily for 4 weeks. For reference, a rash covering 2 palms usually needs about 50 grams of cream for the full course of 4 weeks. One arm typically requires about 100 grams, and the entire trunk may need around 200 grams. After using steroid creams for 4 weeks, take at least a 1-week break to reduce the risk of side effects. The medication can be started again if the rash persists. Non-steroidal medications work more slowly, but are safe for long-term use, so no break is needed. However, it may take 2 to 3 months of continuous use to see full results. Please be patient. Many skin conditions are chronic in nature, and flares can happen even after improvement. In some situations, your dermatologist may recommend using your medicated cream twice a week to help prevent frequent reoccurrences and decrease flares. If a flare occurs, it is important to start using the cream early rather than waiting. The sooner you treat the flare, the faster it will resolve. A good time to apply your medications is after bathing, using the soak and seal method. Soak in lukewarm water for about 10 minutes. You may gently cleanse with a fragrance-free cleanser. Do not scrub. Rinse with lukewarm water and gently pat your skin dry. While your skin is still slightly damp, apply prescription cream to areas with active rash and unscented moisturizer to areas without rash to help seal in moisture and prevent flares. Please remember to bring your prescription creams and moisturizers to your follow-up appointments. This helps your dermatologist assess how much medication you've used and adjust treatments if needed. Some prescription medications, especially tacrolimus ointment, may cause a burning or stinging sensation at first. To reduce this, avoid applying it when your skin is hot. Refrigerating the tube may help, and mixing it 1-to-1 with petroleum jelly, such as Vaseline, before application can reduce discomfort. For most people, this sensation improves within 1 to 2 weeks. Many people stop treatment too early or use too little medication, which can delay improvement. When used correctly, prescription creams and moisturizers are very effective. Using the right medication on the right area and the right amount for the right duration gives you the best results. If you have any questions, always talk to your dermatologist.